Let's have a little look inside the B&O P6 wireless speaker then, see what comes in the box. First up, you see the nice speaker, nicely encased there. I like that a lot, I like it a lot. Good speaker. Undo the foam. Inside you get the charging cable and a quick startup guide. Nice and easy. Okay, so let's set up the speakers. To do so, just gonna hold the on button. Little white light will come up. Then you're gonna hold the Bluetooth button. Then you're gonna come to your mobile device. And then it should be linked. I'm going to do an audio test now. When I do my audio tests, I always do them as 50%, 75% and 100%. So you can kind of have a full understanding of the full range of volume that you can get from these speakers. So let's start off on 50%.
It was way more than a $2 holler. Stole your heart like Alibaba. Seen the way you're talking on my phone last two. She ain't even in the night. Wanna make love, she ain't even in the night. We can get away, maybe to Guatemala. That was just a fraction of the good love I provide. See some niggas talking on the side, can you keep that silent?
Now that I've unboxed the B&O P6 portable speaker, we've had a little bit of a sound test, you've seen what comes in the box. Let's have a little bit of talk about it, its price, its aesthetics, its uses, its key features. On the back of the box, on the P6 speaker, B&O have kind of stated three things that kind of stick out about this speaker. The first being the true 360 Bang & Olufsen signature sound. Offers a rich acoustic experience while true 360 sound ensures an even sound dispersion. A powerful bass makes an impact whether inside the house or outside. I truly agree with that statement. A lot of portable speakers, they kind of talk about how their bass is the biggest and the best, but you know what? It's a true statement here, it's true. What they're saying here is very, very true. I mean, the bass is so rich, and it being the true 360, kind of when I placed it in the middle of a room and I kind of circulated around it, the bass stayed the same, the volume stayed the same, the quality stayed the same, which is really, really good. And it's quite a hard thing to nail when you're doing 360 speakers, kind of maintain that nice, rich quality of sound. The second thing that B&O kind of pointed out is the premium crafted materials. Again, I strongly agree with that. They call it a pearl blasted aluminium, and then you've got this nice leather strap, which is very, very durable. Doesn't feel like it's gonna break at all. Do you know what I like? I really, really like this speaker. It's really smart, really good looking. I mean, I don't know whether your classes look as modern or not, but I mean, when I was placing it around the house, anywhere I put it, even if it was just to be like a speaker for the kitchen, or whether it was a speaker in the bedroom or the bathroom, it really, really did look good. It's nothing too fancy, it's simple but effective, and that's what I really, really like about this speaker. It's just simple and effective while sticking to that true quality of rich sound that B&O are known for. 360 speakers, a lot of that's coming in now. And the third thing that B&O have pointed out is that it has 16 hours of battery life. That is quite a long time for the quality of sound you're getting. It's not just a knockoff speaker that will last for like a day or two. 16 hours of pure playback is very, very good to get from one single use of a speaker. I mean, when are you ever going to find yourself playing 16 hours of music straight? I mean, the most I think I've ever used a portable speaker for is maybe for like pre-drinks, which is something about 3 or 4 hours. So that would give you 4 days worth of playback if you were to listen to 4 hours continuously. That's pretty decent. Pretty decent. Well done, B&O. So coming at $350, I know it's again the higher end of the spectrum of portable speakers. High price for a premium product. Year on year, the development of speakers and audio is not that great to justify buying a new speaker every year. So if you were to purchase this at $350, lasting you about 3 years until the next kind of advancement of audios to come out, I think it's a good deal, very good deal. I mean, really, what can you get from a wireless speaker at the moment? You can get ones that are waterproof, 360 audio, and wireless portable. The only thing they can really change is, well, to make this water resistant. But then again, I don't think this is a very pool party kind of speaker. I think it's more nice around the house or kind of just for parties, but not necessarily in water or traveling. If you have any more questions about the P6 speaker, please drop them in the comments section below. If this video could get at least 20 likes, that'd be a massive help for me. If there's anything you'd like me to review technology-wise, I can try and get my hands on it. Just drop it in the comments section below of what you'd like to know. Tell me what you think. If you buy this speaker, let me know in the comment section below. If you do already own it, also drop a comment in the section below. I'd like to know what you think about it. That's been the P6 speaker. I like it.